Sir, can I have your name? Ano? Your name, di ka pa rito? Si?
Errol.
Si? Si Errol. Errol. You want? Sir John, can I invite you here in front? Everybody, let's clap our hands for Sir John. Okay. All right. You know some tricks? How do you entertain Errol? Singing? Dancing? Tap dance? Huh? Stories. Okay. All right. Like something like, long time ago, in Bethlehem. Okay, anyway. So, sir, I'm going to teach one. Okay, Errol, you sit down first. Come on. I'm going to teach Daddy how to do some tricks. Sir, please face the audience. Now, I'm going to teach you one trick, no? How to entertain Errol. Now, all you have to do is to stand straight like this, hands on your side, okay, stomach in, straight body, and tingin sa audience ng straight. Wow, you're good looking. Where's your wife? Where's... there she is. Ma'am, okay magtakip. Okay lang, okay. It's okay. Sige. So, ganyan lang, straight lang, ano? So, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to say anything. But whenever you hear me talking, Can you do it, sir? Come on, can you do it? Pambabae yan eh. Hindi pambabae. Okay, very good. That's perfect, sir. Talikod ka muna. Errol, upo ka muna, Errol. Sige. Later, I'll give you your prize, okay? So, ayan. Okay, so, sir, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Okay lang. Sige, you don't need to say anything. More good looking than... okay, don't move your head. Just always straight head. Okay, tungo ng konti. Ayan. Okay, very good. Ayan. Sige, bumati ka muna sa kanila. Ano sasabihin ko? Nakasan mo ng konti. Sige. Kahit ano, sabihin mo. Ano nga kahit ano? Hindi. Kahit ano, sabihin mo. Hello. Yellow. No, it's hello. Yellow. Sabihin mo, hi na lang. Atige, hi na lang. Hindi, sabihin mo, hi. Very good. Sige. Magpakilala ka muna sa kanila. Sino? Ikaw. Okay, sabihin mo. By the way, what are you? Are you a boy or a girl? I'm a girl. No. You're not a girl. You're a boy, okay? Okay. Sige, sabihin mo. I am a boy. I am a girl. You're not girl. You're boy. Isa-isa sabihin mo, I am a boy. I am tomboy. No. Mali. Okay. Sabihin mo na lang, boy. Very good. Oh, boy. Okay, sige. Alright, sige. Okay, how about si Errol? Is he a boy or a girl? Girl din. Hindi, no. Errol's boy, okay? Ayan. Okay? Sige. Anyway, sige. How old are you? Okay, by the way, what is your name? Si John. Okay, very good. Sige. So, how old are you, John? I'm 4 years old. 4 years old. Now, you're too big to be 4 years old. You're not 4. Tell us honestly. Come on. How old are you? Okay, I'm 5 years old. Sige. Assuming that you're 5 years old. Okay. Sige. Okay. Yan. Okay, sige. Assuming that you're 5 years old, do you go to school? Oh, yes, I love going to school. Oh, very good. What do you like about school? Oh, I like my school, I like my principal, and I like girls. Stop talking about girls, okay? Okay. Sige. Sir, head straight. Ayan. Okay. Anyway, sige, forget about the girls. Now, tell us, what are your favorite subjects? Okay, I like math, science, and I like girls. Tama na yung girls. Basta yung ano na lang, ang tawag, sige. Kain ka na ba? Oh, yes. So, what is your favorite food? I like girls. Wag na lang. Sige. Ganito, no? Do you know why are we here? Oh, yes. Para kumain. No. We're not here to eat. Because it's Danica's birthday. There is Danica, oh. So, what do you want to say to Danica? Ang ganda-ganda mo? Okay, very good. Yes. It's maganda talaga si Danica. So, it's her... kakanta ka? Sige. Sige, kakanta ako. Sige. Are you now ready to sing? Oh, yes. Okay, ready? Ano ba ang kakantahin mo? Basta. Sige. Ready? And sing. Hindi. Ako yung magsasabi ng birthday to you, you belong to the zoo. Bad, that's very bad. Magagalit sa si Danica. Ituloy mo pero yung tamang lyrics, okay? Okay. Sige, ready? And sing. With a monkey and a donkey. never mind about your song. Okay, sabihin mo na lang, Happy birthday, Danica. Happy birthday, Danica. I love you. Oh, very good. Yes. How about to Errol? Anong gusto mong sagutin kay Errol? Sagutin. What do you want to say to Errol? Errol, no checks muna, ha? Okay, sige. Maaga pa yun. Maaga pa yun. Okay. So, ano pa gusto mo sabihin sa kanya? Kay Errol. Don't be like Daddy. Okay, yes. Okay. Yan. How about to your wife? Say something to your wife. Say something very nice to your wife. By the way, what's the name of your wife? Sinang wife? Hindi, that's why. Yung original. Sige. Yung original. Sige. What's the name of your wife? Teka. Si Rosie yata? Hindi yun. Si Melanie, okay? Sabihin mo, what do you want to say to Melanie? Mami? Melanie? Shower tayo mamaya, ha? Jacuzzi. Sige. Anyway, sige, sabihin mo na lang, I love you. Okay, kiss naman dyan. Sige, mamaya na yung kiss. Sige, how about to all your audience right here? What do you want to say to all of them? Umuwi na kayo? Huwag mo na. We're not through yet. We're not yet finished with our program, okay? Sabihin mo, say bye-bye. Bye, everybody. I love you all. Okay, everybody, let's clap our hands for John. John, thank you very much. Don't go yet. Please face the audience. Yes. Now, John, we are introducing this new type of puppet. Before, it's puppet lang, but ngayon, human, sinusuotan natin ng puppet. Gusto mo makita yung tsura mo? You see? Anyway, of course, kids, it's not Tito John's, aabot ba itong ano? It's not Tito John's real voice, no? Tito John, now I want you to say, anong tawag dito? Something to your audience or to these kids. Huwag ka na magpapit, tapos na pa. It's my show. Yung totoong boses mo, sige. Good evening everyone, sabi mo. John, ang macho mo pa naman. Ba't ganyan ang boses mo? Sige, gandahan mo yung boses mo. Gandahan mo. Yan. Okay. Wag na nga. Anyway, everybody, let's clap our hands for John. John, thank you very much. Okay.